This is the lens focal length and working distance solver, which calculates the required focal length for your optical system based on your specific setup parameters. The calculator requires 3 input fields. First, enter your sensor size in millimeters, which is the dimension of your camera sensor. Next, input your object size in millimeters, representing the dimension of the object you want to capture. Finally, enter your working distance in millimeters, which is the distance between your lens and the object being imaged. Let's walk through a practical example. Say you have a 12mm sensor, need to image a 50mm object, and have 200 millimeters of working distance available. After entering these values and clicking Calculate Focal Length, the results section displays your required focal length. This calculated focal length tells you exactly which lens you need to achieve proper magnification for your application. The solver uses the relationship between sensor size, object size, and working distance to determine the optimal focal length that will capture your entire object on the sensor at your specified distance. This tool eliminates guesswork when selecting lenses for machine vision and optical inspection systems. Find the link in the description below.